Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover custom themes. We'll discuss what is a custom theme, how to create a custom theme and add it to your theme options, and how to edit or delete the theme. As explained in prior videos, a theme must always be selected when creating a new project. For this project, I selected the Skyline theme. However, the system theme is almost always irrelevant and must be overridden to achieve the specific organization branding needs. So why not create your own custom theme and use that as your starting point instead? This is why we came up with this object. A custom theme can easily be added from the Themes panel. Go to Project, Theme. Click the plus sign to create a custom theme. Give it a name. Click Let's Start. Here, set your base fonts. Notice how when you change the settings on the left, the previews on the right are also changed. Set your base fonts for the main font, title font, heading font, and paragraph font. Set a primary and supporting color to be used in specific elements. Again, you can see the effect on the right. And last but not least, set your input variant. Titan offers 5 different looks for your input fields. Once you have completed this process, a new theme card will be added at the bottom of your themes panel. You will, of course, be able to edit or remove this, if you wish, via the kebab menu, the 3 dots. Also, once you create a custom theme, it will be added to your theme options offered to you when creating a new project. This enables you to ensure that the initial styles are visually closer to what you actually need. And that is how it's done.